Hey YouTube, welcome back to another Just the Tip. This is 12 o'clock and as you can see, I'm finally putting this motor back together. You can tell that the oil pan is a lot cleaner than the block because I haven't cleaned that up yet. But what do you do about all the bolts? You know, I got a pile of bolts, it's just sitting in oil, it's all nasty. So I cleaned up the oil pan, but what do you do with all those little bolts? You spray them off one at a time? Oh, it's a pain in the ass. So I have a pile of bolts that's just all dirty sitting in oil. So here's what I came up with. So this is what I came up with, guys. Take a cup or the cap off a paint can and put all your bolts in it, and then just squirt some brake cleaner or some curb cleaner in it, just nice and slow. Kind of cover it with your hand and let it fill up. Then you can let them sit in there for a while. When you cover it, just give it a shake. And it's basically doing the same thing that a parts washer does. These were dirty and oil and grease, and now they're pretty much clean. I mean, I wish I would have showed you before I put them in there because these were disgusting. And you can see all the stuff's in the bottom. So there you go. Easy little way to clean all the bolts up. Now these are ready to go back in the oil pan. Well, there you go, guys. Pretty quick one for this week. This is 12 o'clock. And remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.